कंटेस्टेंट्स मिक्सर जो है वो आपको Contestants, please be careful while cutting, chopping, frying. So let me repeat the parameters you will be judged on. Presentation is there, innovation is there, cleanliness is also there. Our judge will take a round in some time. So please keep your stations clean. And the last parameter is taste of your dish.
Indian authentic taste.
For my kids and all age groups, Spanish हमेशा ध्यान रखिए healthy और
Ajanta. Yeah, so how's it going? What are you making?
Excuse me, trying to make veg dumpling.
Okay. You're making vegetarian dumplings. And you're making the flour, the batter yourself for the dumplings. And that's it?
Yeah, like flour filling.
Okay, so all the best because you know the parameters of...
I'm also very much anxious for my baby who just 4 months old.
Okay. I hope you're not thinking about him all right now. You need to focus and get this
I
right.
know that, but being a mom is also
difficult. I wish you all the best, but ingredients के हिसाब से but आपको पता है ना कि इसमें one of the parameters is innovation, so your recipe should be a little innovative. और यहाँ पे और लोग भी हैं. तो लेकिन अगर देखो जो जितना हम जज कर रहे हैं उसमें एक जजमेंट का जो क्राइटेरिया है वो है इनोवेशन यानी कि कुछ नया. तो आपको लग रहा है जो रेसिपी बना रहे हैं वो कुछ नया होगा. पहले सांस ले लीजिए. नर्वस कर रही हैं ये आपको? नहीं. साइड में खड़े होकर नहीं. क्या बना रहे हैं बताइए.
मैं पुलाव बना रहा हूँ, कोरिएंडर पुलाव. इसके साथ में फिंगन टोस्ट का डीप होगा, बेल पेपर का डीप होगा. ओके. साथ में फिश फ्राई,
हाँ. ओह वाह, फैंटास्टिक. फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद ना? बहुत सुना हमने आपके बारे में. ऑल द बेस्ट. कीप इट अप. हाय.
I am trying to give, I am taking a regional dish and I am elevating it to the Western style. My dish is basically akki roti taquitos. So I am taking the concept of quesadilla and instead of tortilla base, I am taking this akki roti as tortilla base and taquitos concept like swirls, taquito swirls.
Fantastic. So what is this taki roti?
Akki roti. Yeah, akki roti is basically rice-based roti. Yeah, rice flour-based roti. So that's
Wow.
Yeah.
Yummy. Sounds great. All the best. Okay. So I missed out on you, Vidhi. I like your style of your spectacles. But yeah, to cook. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, fantastic. Okay, and what are you making now? So Vidya, I completely understand what you're saying, but as I understand also that you're doing 3 dishes right now, so make sure that all whatever you're cooking should be in very well.
My first 2 rounds were main course, so I thought I'd take this time.
So all the contestants, so we have kept Rajma at the corner. We are getting chane also.
Very simple. Please let me tell you that there are contestants here who have some amazing ideas which they are working on. So please be sure of what you're making. And innovation is an important part of judgment.
Sorry.
So you know, make कुछ भी इतना simple ना बनाइए जो बहुत ही simple.
So contestants, you have almost 1 hour. Request to everyone, not only the audience but also the Big Bazaar authorities also, not to use this space because we have a camera over there. This space will be only used by जिसे आप मुझे दे सकते हो.
थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए. All right, fantastic. Okay, so masala with the butter. Yeah, maybe something, you know. It's a hectic, but yeah, fantastic. All the best. Very good. So first dish that is it, and that's sauteed vegetables. Yes, you have a lot of time. You have a lot of time. Yeah. Think about it. I'm sorry to. Yes, Ms. Parul, please tell me, where have you reached? अच्छा, खाने को बीफ उसके पैनकेक्स बना रहे हैं और ये स्टफिंग है उसके अंदर. Okay. Perfect. Yes. काफी कुछ हमसे सीख कर जाएंगे. If nothing else अपने घर के लिए या you know for yourself. आप काफी कुछ सीखने जाएंगे. तो टेक के अंदर क्या कर रहा है? बाइंग किससे होगा? ओके, तो आपको ध्यान रखना होगा अच्छा ना रहे. या तो हम ये कुछ भूल के डाल दें और या फिर बेसन की बजाय से बहुत आगे. हाँ, मैं ना फाइन में रहेगा, लेकिन अगर आप मैदा कॉर्नफ्लावर ज़्यादा डालते और क्या चाहिए? हो गया अजंता, यू गिव मी अ नाइस डिश। बहुत हो रहा है, बहुत टाइम होता है, बहुत है। 50 मिनट, तभी भी 50 मिनट है, 50 लोगों का खाना बना सकते हैं। नहीं होगा इतना, नहीं 50 हम सब नहीं खाएंगे। Fantastic, all the best. थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ा सकते हैं, क्वांटिटी कम कर सकते हैं, that will help you.
Swati, I think you have kept your gas on, your induction on. Please be careful.
So then,
Yeah, what is happening? Rice is boiling.
Yeah.
What are these veggies?
Garnish.
so you're a passionate cook, or you want to become a chef, or
Become a chef.
you want to become a chef? So are you studying?
Please.
Oh, you was a
Yeah.
fantastic. Short.
And इसके बचिया. I am from Gujarat, so I made this.
Fantastic. But make sure whatever you're making, that everything should be in sync with each other. Or are you giving me a 3-course meal? What? It's a 3-course meal, but every... Okay, fantastic. So I'm getting a 3-course from you. Fantastic. All the best. You're going well, huh? Don't do your speed because you have too many things to do. Yes. Some Mexican here. Yeah.
Indo-Mexican.
I love Mexican food. I love Mexican food, but and I have my favorite places of Mexican veggies. Yeah, it's a very good cuisine.
Few of the Mexican herbs I'm missing here. Yeah, it's just the filling which makes a difference. That's why. So
Yeah.
I've used broccoli and mushroom
Okay.
for the
Filling.
yeah.
Yeah.
So and I'm making it as well, and I have some of the sorted vegetables.
Maybe perhaps like I don't know.
Renowned actress, and yes, of course, not only a talented actress but a super mom and a loving wife as well.
How do you know? Where do you want me to go?
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you.
Team that
Lovely. And this is season 2, no?
yeah.
7 Fridays.
Yeah.
Should I go next to Shimon?
The last few seconds are left. I request Soma ma'am to kindly take the seat.
Hello.
A warm welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us here today.
I don't know where this voice is coming from. It's okay, okay.
So requesting all the contestants, all the family members to please be seated station
But
itself.
I'm not an expert at all. But
Your dish at your station.
no, I actually eat
Keep
also.
your dish at your station itself. Contestants' time is up.
Today I'm more, yeah. So today I'm pushing the
Please
limits
step
and
back.
trying things. Kunal was laughing.
Ma'am, time is up. Step
I
back.
can't believe that you was new to this.
All the contestants,
I
keep your
usually
dish
make
at your
comfort
station
food. If I
itself.
like something, I want to have it again.
Judges will come to your station.
And they're a mix of everything. So they're making all kinds of dishes. No limitations, no boundaries. Did you set any kind of? They just have limited ingredients. And but to that, is it like a challenge, like to work without some staple?
No. They just have to create something that is out of it's their innovation, so they've just done anything that they want to push them and they need something new.
Different concept.
Yeah.
Alright, so all the contestants are done with the dishes. Please be at your station to judge the dish. आप अपने स्टेशन पे सब लोग. Are you guys ready? Yes? A huge round of applause first of all for all the contestants. Start with the first table.
Yes.
Yeah. It's over there at the right hand side.
A lot of vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, carrot, beans.
So since you're such a big foodie,
What kind of sauce is that? Tomato sauce. And what is that?
It is
Butter.
lemon butter.
Lemon butter.
So I need to pick this up.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
I need to drop it in this, of course, in a really elegant way. I think I will.
Another one.
Just like this. No, that looks like an added one.
Yeah, you want to try the lemon butter?
So this is the coating is what?
Just wet rice.
And what part of India?
I'm originally from Bengal, but I'm participating from Indore.
Indore, big foodie station.
Yes. I think the presentation is very original. I like the way. What are these? What are these?
Curries.
No, the red and yellow.
Bell pepper.
Okay. So I can see that.
Yeah. Yeah. Ajanta, it's a great dish. I mean, the flavors are really different, but the rice is still uncooked. It's not cooked properly. It had to be steamed and it would have puffed out and it would have been like properly cooked, but it's not edible. It's undercooked. And the lemon butter is presentation. Yes, it's really cute, I would say, but I think you could have definitely done something more.
I feel like maybe it also lacks a little bit of a punch in the flavor. Like I felt the flavors were all perhaps on one level or one tone, and maybe there could have been something with a little. I mean, not spice is not everyone's taste, but something that like popped out a little bit more. But I do like the presentation.
Yeah, and second thing is that when I was going to your stations, I already told you that it's the finale. I mean, you have to push yourself to get something really nice on the plate. Not just, but it's fantastic. It's fantastic, and you're a great chef. You're going to do great.
Well done,
Thank you.
Janta.
Well done.
Parul ma'am, all the very best.
With these ingredients, these veggies, beetroot also.
Beetroot is very good.
You can eat this pancake, including spinach and beetroot. Stuffing is beetroot and
This looks good as well.
yes, it's salsa.
So what I'm going to do is. You're going to give me the whole chunk. Okay, chalega.
Are you going to eat the entire thing?
Probably not. I'm going to try and do this delicately. I think I'm doing quite well.
Very well. Awesome.
And I'm going to. What is the stuffing in this?
Stuffing is full of beetroot, spinach and paneer.
और इसमें ज़्यादा spice तो नहीं है ना इसमें?
Right.
बस I just need to be warned.
Only black pepper.
Yeah.
I like it.
And this is pickle, zucchini pickle, achar, zucchini.
You can. Is that different than this?
Yes, because this is salsa. This is
The
stuffing.
same?
Yes, stuffing. वो same है, एक different है. Another is same.
Actually, with the salsa you mean,
Yes.
right? You
3 types of pancakes.
But you can call it a tomato dip. I think salsa becomes too, it's Spanish and it's really a
देसी इस्तेमाल किया। सादा धनिया है। अब इसी धनिया जब हम खाते हैं तो बहुत हेल्दी करता है बच्चों को। बच्चे क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है अलग से इस टेस्ट से।
आपने लौंग किसमें डाला?
लौंग मैंने इसमें डाला था थोड़ा सा, वो मैंने भून लिया था पहले, उसको भून कर डाला था मैंने इसके अंदर स्टफिंग के अंदर, जो ये वाली स्टफिंग है बीटरूट और स्पिनच। इसमें लौंग और काली मिर्च और जीरा और रोस्ट करके तब स्टफिंग में भरा। इसमें भुना जीरा, ऑरिगेनो और चिली फ्लेक्स।
You know,
एक तो ऑर्डर हो गया।
I think finale. I mean, it's fantastic. जो हमने बनाया है, it's healthy, all of that. But कोई सिंक नहीं है. सारी चीजें इकट्ठे मिलाकर. I mean, there's no sink in it.
Because pancake with salsa.
I mean, I'm
Without
saying
sauce, I don't have ketchup.
because pancake with that filling,
Yes.
is perfect on its own. You give one dip, fine. This achar is more like a substitute.
Side dish हो गया.
Right.
Side
So
dish.
ये इतना चीजों का जरूरत नहीं था. ये मैं आपको
I
कह रही
have
हूँ.
more time. I have much अच्छा
Yeah, that is why I was thinking that you know perhaps अगर आप कुछ ऐसा बनाते, like कुछ लोग यहाँ पे 3 course meal बना रहे हैं, कुछ लोग यहाँ पे एक सिर्फ snacks बना रहे हैं. So at least there's a theme to what they're cooking. You know what I'm saying? It's fantastic. It's a great idea. It's super healthy. But for a finale, the kind of dish we are looking at, आप लोग इतने सारे पड़ाव पार करके आए हैं, वो जो देख रहे हैं ना, that element where I say like, wow, this is mind blowing. You know, that thing is.
I think कि मुझे भी वो लगा कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं टेबल पे एंड थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन इन टर्म्स ऑफ द फ्लेवर्स. आई रियली लाइक इट. आई थिंक फ्लेवर्स टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक again the presentation perhaps was a little bit lacking.
Because I want to share this.
To share everything.
मैं उसको भी बुलाना चाहती थी सॉस की जगह उसको सासा को और डिप पैनकेक के साथ मैंने उसको.
पार्ट पता है आपका डिश देख के क्या लग रहा है कि you know too much about food. आपके अंदर इतने सारे आइडियाज और इतना सारा टैलेंट है, आप सब कुछ शोकेस करना चाहते हैं, which landed up in a little bit of everything. You know, थोड़ा स्ट्रीमलाइन रहें, एक जगह फोकस कर. Thank you.
Well done, Farah.
Thank you.
For the very best.
And yours, and yours.
Okay.
Started basically baking is my favorite. Today I've tried to do something different. Honestly, I am into exotic desserts and baking. That's what I love. Even on when I was small, my friends keep coming in and keep giving me orders also. Yes, we have a birthday party. Just go in for it. I'm a teacher by profession. Today I tried doing something different and I thought I don't want to use rice, so rice main course, and I've already done 2 main course rounds before, so I tried to start with these appetizers. Small portion.
So it's a risk to take, to not
go
with your strengths for the
That's what we are here for. I'm loving it.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, if you are into cooking, then you cook
And
everything.
I try not to incorporate too many flavors in any one.
There
There is always scope for improvement, and I'm back.
Okay, thank you.
So this is mushrooms with sausage, mushrooms with different kinds of peppers
And what about this?
This is cottage cheese with cheese brown cheese sauce. ये मेरे सिर्फ garnishing के लिए use किया मैंने.
This is also cottage cheese.
This is cottage. The main dish is this one. This is with bread base with stuffing with. I have done the stuffing with broccoli.
So there's
Tossed onions and broccoli stuffing with a little brown cheese sauce. Cheese is not available, so I used all-purpose flour and milk and cream to
create a sort of cheesy
texture.
What about that?
This is stuffing. I made a stuffing for the bread.
Okay. And what is on top?
Again, I made a sauce with the tomato puree and whipped cream. So substitute for mayonnaise. And this is again stuffing is broccoli and chopped onions. That's it. Nice. This is ginger flavor. That's garlic. Entirely garlic.
One more ingredient use कर सकते हैं, but continuously अगर हम उसको नहीं stir करते हैं तो वो फट जाएगा.
I've enjoyed your dish very much.
Thank you, ma'am. So
And Anuradha ma'am was multitasking. You can see that.
और inspiration अपनी girlfriend ने दिया.
White.
What is the name of the dish?
because it's with the cheese.
I like your presentation, yes. Taste is really nice. Oh, vada was really nice. Yeah. The sauce is amazing, rice is really good, presentation is good, so well done. But we have yet to announce the winner. Don't get excited. We have competition.
I think it's a strong chance. Yash.
थोड़ा सा
साना बताइए अपने डिश के बारे में बताइए।
चाइनीज पुलाव है, वेजिटेबल्स बना के और स्प्रिंग रोल बनाया।
इसमें चाइनीज क्या है?
वही पूरे कैप्सिकम का चिली सॉस, सोया सॉस,
इंडियन चाइनीज है।
इंडियन चाइनीज का।
इट्स वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छा है। और दिस इज स्प्रिंग रोल।
स्प्रिंग रोल।
This is a normal ketchup, the sauce, or
नॉर्मल केचप सॉस।
spring roll थोड़ा fusion spring roll है. It's fantastic. I'm not saying it's bad. थोड़ा desi touch है.
More Indian than
Yeah,
Chinese.
but हाँ, it's more Indian than Chinese, but it's really good. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, yeah. अच्छा.
चाइनीज में लाल मिर्ची वो सब नहीं डालते।
देसी घी भी नहीं
धनिया पाउडर।
But it's fantastic. So my surprise, it's really nice. बहुत अच्छा, इसका feeling भी अच्छा, taste बहुत अच्छा. Thank you. नहीं ये भी अच्छा था. But it was very nice. The flavor was very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So I would like to ask Shibra ma'am, what did you like the most in his dish?
Okay, yes, for everyone here because it was, I mean, I think it should be crystal clear because we had certain
Guys, pay attention, please.
We had certain criteria for the winner, and Theria's dish had everything. It had the dish in itself was complete. The way he had presented it was fantastic, and it tasted really good. And next to him was, if it's alright.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, was,
Very close?
Very close was Swati's dish. Swati, I have to say that presentation was amazing. Everything was fantastic. The only element missing was it wasn't a complete dish. There was something amiss. It was delicious. It was presented well. Everything.
It was a balanced dish. I like the fact that it was innovative and they brought an element of fusion to it. So the flavors, I think, were complex also. There was a bite to it, so that it was very tasty as well as complete as well as balanced. And I thought the presentation was very delicate, which I said also. So it was all very small. The chilla, the zucchini rolls, it was very nice to eat. So congratulations.
Yeah. So according to you, was it closer to Daria?
Well, it was again, I think our scoring was actually pretty similar, and Swati was just, actually just behind. I think it was just a question of a point or two, because it was very similar in terms of her dish was also very tasty and was also very innovative with the fusion and the quesadilla and the Karnataka mix. So that's why it was very close between the two of them. Again, I do have to say that I enjoyed sampling all of the dishes though, and as everyone has said time and time again, they've made it through so many contestants to be here. So all of them, of course, are winners today.
Yes, absolutely right. Dhaya, finally coming to you. How are you feeling? Out of the Are you gonna cry? No? No, not at all. Where is your brother? Hi! Finally, your brother is a winner. Please come here. Join us. Photo please.
Okay, Kitchen Superstars, I think it is a great effort by Big Bazaar to organize such an event. बहुत अच्छा था. Participants were really excited to do new things. There's a lot of innovation and energy on the floor, which was fantastic.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक दैट ये अभी सेकंड सीजन में है. आई थिंक दल मेनी सीजन्स अहेड. मैं एक्सपर्ट तो नहीं हूँ जैसे कि शिप्रा मैम है, लेकिन आई रियली एंजॉय टेस्टिंग द फूड एंड आई थिंक द फाइनलिस्ट हैव कम अ लॉन्ग वे. 7 लोग चुने गए 80,000 में से, तो इट्स अ बिग डील फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम. एंड एक्चुअली सारे लोगों से रिलेट तो करने का मौका नहीं मिला क्योंकि हम 2-2 मिनट के लिए मिल रहे थे, लेकिन खाना जो मुझे एक सैम्पल करने का मौका मिला, फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन सी दैट दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पैशन फॉर कुकिंग. अपने फैमिलीज़ के लिए कुक कर रहे थे अब तक, लेकिन अभी उनको एक बहुत बड़ा मंच मिला है टू शोकेस their talents. And I got a chance to sample a little different regional delicacies also. Some of them also brought in a fusion element, Mexican के साथ Indian को mix भी किया. Flavors बहुत अच्छे थे. कुछ लोगों का presentation बेहतर था, कुछ लोगों का taste और flavoring better था. So it was very interesting for me.
And plus, you know, since food has become such a big, you know, area or sect now in India, it's really important कि ऐसे और competitions हों जैसे अभी Big Bazaar ने किया. It really gives a lot of energy to people also. काफ़ी motivate करते हैं लोगों को अच्छा खाना बनाने के लिए, not just for home but on a public level also. और ऐसे ही हमने देखा है ऐसे ही competition से काफ़ी सारे chefs निकल के आते हैं और अपने restaurants या कुछ ना कुछ outlets खोलते हैं and they become so successful. So it is a very good, I think, a booster, you know, to all the people to give them a direction, a positive direction. And of course ताकि और भी लोग कुकिंग को अपना एक प्रोफेशन बनाएं, जो कि कम था इंडिया में. दे वर ओनली मेन हु यूज्ड टू डू इट, बट अब विमेन भी कर रही हैं. सो यू नो ऐसे कंपटीशन काफ़ी हेल्दी रहते हैं. बहुत सारी, बिकॉज बहुत सारी ऐसा लग रहा था, बट हम लोग काफ़ी फ्लोर पे काफ़ी स्ट्रेस रहते थे और ये कंटेस्टेंट्स एकदम रिलैक्स थे. लाइक यू नो दे वर एट ईज, दे न्यू व्हाट दे आर डूइंग एंड ऑल दैट. वो डिफरेंस था. बट येस, यू नो व्हेन द क्लॉक इज टिकिंग एंड यू वांट टू गेट समथिंग रियली आउट ऑन द फ्लोर, यू आर सो नर्वस और वो एनर्जी अलग होती है. सो डेफिनेटली काफ़ी सारी मेमोरीज रिफ्रेश हो गई.
एक्चुअली सब तो जानते हैं कि मैं खाना कम बनाती हूँ घर पे, क्योंकि कुणाल ने सबको बता दिया कि मैं खाना कम बनाती हूँ घर पे. लेकिन मुझे सबको खुश रखना और देखना अच्छा लगता है, इसीलिए मैं खाना कम बनाती हूँ. लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें मैं बना सकती हूँ. मैं येलो दाल बहुत अच्छा बनाती हूँ और मैं एक इटालियन डिश है स्पेगेटी आली ओलियो, वो बहुत अच्छा मैं बनाती हूँ. सिंपल लगता है लेकिन काफ़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स है. शिप्रा जी आपको बताएंगे कि बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है, बट आई थिंक दैट आई एम वेरी गुड एट दैट. और वो कुणाल खुशी खुशी खा लेते हैं. मुझे खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लाइक दे से हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, आइदर यू लिव फॉर फूड और you live to eat or you eat to live. So I do also live to eat.
Eat to live.
And I eat to live, but I enjoy good food. But मेरे कुछ favorites हैं. नहीं सैलड नहीं, मुझे कुछ मेरे कोई फेवरेट डिशेस हैं. जैसे रियली वेल बेक्ड चॉकलेट केक, like a warm gooey chocolate cake is something that I love. Yellow dal is something that I love. A well made tandoori chicken is something that I love. वो मैं हर दिन सेम फूड खा सकती हूँ, बार बार खा सकती हूँ. वो तो सब आजकल सब मेंटेन करते हैं, सिर्फ एक्टर लोग नहीं. मैं योगा में बिलीव करती हूँ और योगा बहुत सालों से करते आई हूँ. तो आई थिंक योगा इज़ वेरी गुड. सिर्फ आपको कपड़े में फिट नहीं करना है, आपको फिट रहना है. तो आई थिंक दैट योगा इज़ गुड फॉर दैट.
मैं तो फूड ही हूँ. आई कुक. इनफैक्ट समबडी आस्क्ड मी कि आप जब फ्री होते हैं तो क्या करते हैं. सो आई वाज लाइक, यू नो, जब मैं फ्री होती हूँ, इधर आई एम ट्राइंग न्यू डिशेस और आई एम डूइंग डिशेस फॉर माई बुक और आई एम डूइंग डिशेस फॉर माई यूट्यूब चैनल. सो आई एम कुकिंग ऑल द टाइम. आई रियलाइज आई एम कुकिंग ऑल द टाइम. सो आई एम अ बिग फूडी. आई लव फूड. और एक क्विजीन नहीं, मुझे हर तरीके की क्विजीन पसंद है. तो इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट टू बॉयल डाउन, लाइक यू नो, कि मुझे दाल ज़्यादा पसंद है या चिकन ज़्यादा पसंद है.
वो तो क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ 2-3 चीज़ आते हैं, इसीलिए मेरे लिए बहुत ईजी है.
सो इट्स डिफिकल्ट, बट यस आई एम अ बिग फूडी.
Thank you.